Hello friends, Cold Chance here. Thank you for joining me today. And today just wanted to do a quick flow with you, and I want you to just think about, not think so much about the alignment and think about more being fluid, moving like water, and we'll just kind of open up, get loose, and feel into the body without any limitations, without any constrictions, restrictions, and rules. We'll just move and I'll guide you. And if you want to throw in a little move of your own, please be my guest and we'll just explore. Okay, let's do it. Let's stand at the top of the mat. Pick up the toes, spread them, put them back down. Feel all four corners of the foot. Pull up on the kneecaps, roll the shoulders back, feel open. Inhale. Exhale. Twice more, in and out. In and out. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, grab the wrist with the left hand. We'll step the left foot back, reach to the right. Now find some buoyancy here, and we're just moving. Inhale brings you up, and exhale brings you down. Inhale up, exhale down and over towards the right. Once more, in. And exhale, down and over towards the right. We'll come all the way down. Just kind of swooping the hands down to the ground. Step back with the left foot. Inhale, we're coming forward. Exhale, straighten the front leg, bow over. Inhale, forward. Keep moving like this with the breath. So while we're not focusing much on alignment, we're definitely focused on moving with the breath. Inhale, you're always expanding. Exhale. Utilizing space. Again, in and out. This time, inhale, drop the back knee, raise the arms up. Exhale, cactus the arms down, hands down by the hips. We'll swoop the arms forward. Inhale, come up, cactus the arms. Swoop them forward. Once more, inhale up. Cactus the arms, shine the heart. Plant the hands. We'll step back, downward facing dog. So we'll wave the body forward. Inhale, come up onto the toes, tuck the chin, see the roundness of the back into plank pose. Exhale, bend the knees, send the hips back, and then start to straighten the legs. Twice more like that. Inhale, wave forward. Exhale, wave back, bend the knees, send the hips back, and then straighten the legs. Again, inhale forward. Exhale, come back. Beautiful. Start to walk the feet towards the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, kind of wiggling the hips, moving the shoulders around, finding some organic movement. And exhale, fold forward. Inhale, bend the knees around the back. Let the torso hang heavy like you have no bones as you sway all the way up. Finding yourself in mountain pose. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, grab the right wrist with the left hand, step back with the right foot off the side of the mat. Begin to reach towards the left, bend in the knees. Inhale, find space. Exhale, bend and reach. Inhale up. Bend and reach. Once more, inhale up. Bend and reach, swoop the arms down, plant the hands, step back, right foot. Inhale, gaze forward, shine the heart forward. Exhale, pour over the front leg. The knee doesn't have to be all the way straight. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, pour forward. You can also have your hands on top of blocks here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, drop the back knee. Inhale, lift the arms up. And exhale, cactus the arms. And as you cactus, bring the chest forward. Bring the arms down. Swoop the arms in front. Come up. Open. Exhale, forward. Inhale, up and down. And once more. Good. Plant the hands. Step back, downward facing dog. Inhale, wave forward, round the back, plank pose. Exhale, bend the knees, shift the hips back. Find some movement like water. Inhale, lift. Exhale, wave back. Inhale up. Exhale, wave back. Beautiful. Start to walk up towards the hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold down. And inhale, bend the knees. Again, swaying the arms side to side. Maybe a little bounce, buoyancy, like you have no bones in the torso. We come up to stand. Inhale, swoop the arms up. Again, exhale, take the left wrist, step off the side of the mat. Inhale, length. And exhale, off, reach. Inhale, length. Exhale. Once more. Swoop the arms down, step back, left foot. Inhale, up, crescent lunge. Exhale, 45 degrees, bring the chest forward. Inhale, come up, crescent lunge, and exhale, warrior two. Inhale, straighten the front leg, reverse warrior. Exhale, triangle pose, plant the hand just on the thigh, on the leg. Inhale, reach up, bring the hand to the heart. Inhale, spin the chest open. Bend the front knee. Come all the way back up, reverse. And plant the hands down. Gaze forward. Step back. Downward facing dog. Wave forward, inhale. Exhale, wave back. Twice more. Inhale, wave forward. Wave back. Inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. Stepping forward to the top of the mat. Letting go of what this should look like. Tapping into what it feels like. Inhale, halfway lift and pour forward. Bending the knees, tucking the chin, rolling up. Swaying the body. Eventually coming up to stand. Inhale, arms come up. Grabbing the right wrist, stepping off left side of the mat. Exhale, side body stretch. Inhale, length. Exhale, side body stretch, gazing up towards the sky, opening the chest. One more time, inhale. And exhale, reach. Swoop the hands all the way down. Step back with the right foot. High lunge, coming up, crescent lunge. Exhale, 45-degree angle. Wave the arms back. Inhale, come up, crescent lunge. And exhale, warrior two. Inhale, straighten the front leg, reverse warrior. Exhale, shift the hips back. Bring the left hand to the leg, triangle pose, right arm up. Inhale here. Exhale, bring the hand to the heart. Inhale, open the heart to the sky. Good. Bend in the front leg. Come all the way up through warrior two, reverse warrior. And exhale, windmill the hands down. Step back, downward facing dog. 3 times, waving forward and back with your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Again, in and out. In and out. Beautiful. Step the feet up to the hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Bend the knees. Let's come all the way down onto the ground here. We'll take a few seated poses. Let's take the right, extend the right leg long. Left foot comes into the thigh. Let's take the right hand to the left knee. Left arm comes up and over, reaching towards the right toes. So inhale, we open the chest. Exhale, we turn down towards the ground. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, turn. Really feeling this in left low back, I am. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Coming all the way up, planting the left hand, pushing into the ground, swinging the right arm around as we lift the hips. They come forward along with the heart and the hand come back. Bringing the arm all the way around for 1, 2, 3, and sit the hips down. We'll switch sides. Just kind of a moving meditation. Left hand to the ground or left hand to the thigh. We'll reach over, inhale, heart coming up. And exhale, turn towards the ground. You can bring the hand to the ground. Inhale, come up. This is giving me a little more support to put my left elbow on the ground as well, so you can try that. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, curl one more time. Inhale. And then down. Let's come all the way up. Plant the right hand, press into the ground, left hand comes forward, hips forward, hand, head, heart back. Let the arm come all the way around. For 3, open, open, open. 2, and 1. Sit the hips back down. Bring the left leg in. Sit cross-legged, close the eyes. You can sit up on a block, you can sit in lotus, you can sit up on your knees, whatever feels good and supportive for you today, knowing that that always changes, so it won't always be the same thing. We're always in flux, always changing, moving, just like water. Staying open to what we need, the different things that arise, different ways to support ourselves. Feeling the effects of movement in your body. Feeling spaciousness created. So grateful for this practice and so grateful to get to share it with each of you. Bring the hands together, thumbs at third eye. We bow together and we say namaste. Namaste. Thank you all so much for joining me. As I hope you can feel right now that you don't have to, do hours of yoga every day. Just spending some intentional time moving your body, breathing, being with yourself goes so far. I hope you have a beautiful day or a beautiful evening, whatever's going on with you. And check out colchanceyoga.com for what I have happening coming up, upcoming retreats, workshops, and yogatx.org. We have all kinds of things happening on there, 1-hour flows, and selling some clothes as well. So thank you, and I'll see you next time.